Howdy there, I'm Mike, here to discuss what I learned from two businesses in one cup. The overall process taught me a great deal, the most important thing of which was how to fail fast. We killed one business without ever writing a line of code. This is the process working to perfection, saving precious time and money. Our first business, Global Rev Max, was a software solution aimed at helping large hotels maximize profits on their available space. Our number one hypothesis was that hotel chief revenue officers, directors of sales, and general managers wanted to maximize the revenue on competing deals but couldn't because of insufficient customer data and insight. As it turns out, this wasn't true at all. Although hotel interviewees desired sales and increased revenue, an inability to maximize revenue on a per-deal basis was never considered a primary issue. And here's why. Many of the largest hotels have enormous amounts of space already available, and all requests for proposals, or RFPs, were broadly distributed, making for a hyper-competitive active bidding environment. Thus, when combined, sales were at a premium and salespeople didn't have a need, given the abundant space, or luxury, given the fierce competition, to wait on the highest ROI deal. As long as the deal was profitable and the team was on target to reach their top-line revenue goals, management remained happy. This discovery left us in need of a pivot. Our primary focus therefore shifted from revenue maximization back to the RFP process, or into the RFP process, which multiple managers mentioned as an issue because it was a cumbersome process that costs hotels money. What we found, however, was that it likely wasn't a viable option because there were existing players whose software solved the process completely. In other words, the cumbersomeness was arising from poorly written or designed in-house software, not a market failure. The market had solved this problem through two clear winners, Cvent and Delphi. This was the end of the road for our beloved Global Rev Max. We killed the business concept because we did not see a pivot into a different customer segment or value proposition. With the death of one opportunity, however, we saw the rise of another. Are You Ready? An interactive, self-paced, and adaptive mathematics learning program, helping high school teachers bridge the academic gap between their high school curricula and college requirements. This time, our hypotheses included 1. A lack of competition in the space, 2. Alacritus student engagement, how about that $20 word, 3. Teacher buy-in, and 4. Product alignment. Could the software align with the teaching standards of the district? First, regarding competition, except for Alex, there was little competition, or at least close substitute. Second, student engagement showed promise among college students, but high schoolers remained a mystery. Here are some interviews. Great hair, everyone. Congratulations. Nathan Ballou, a college student and recent high school grad, regrets not working harder in mathematics. He failed to see its important and everyday application and would love to use a software tool today to help improve his abilities. David Cohen, a math teacher at Ogden High, believes that the biggest challenge to teaching his students is motivating them and seeing the applicability. He believes that software technology could bridge that gap and would love to beta test. Superintendent Dwayne Lyons at Natchez Valley School District believes that teachers are scrambling to find a software solution to help improve student engagement and learning in the classroom. He would also love to beta test and would help coordinate those efforts in finding the right classroom, the right teacher, and right students. And finally, Jared Zem, owner of a math tutoring company, would also love to use the product because he believes it would help him scale his multi-million-dollar operation, reaching more students and helping more students pass the college entry-level exams. In conclusion, we learned that we needed to learn more for Are You Ready to be a real success. Specifically, we need to follow up with these high school students, both in interviews as well as limited beta testing of the product, but only because we can, to discover more about the students' preferences. And most importantly, we learned that the process works.